Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to fix this satellite receiver. And one of my colleague give it to me to fix this, and he told me that he saw some electrical shocks or some uh, very bad things inside this, and they also felt some smell from inside. So since these satellite receivers are subject to thunderstorms, like when you install its outdoor antenna outside the house, and in thunderstorms it is subject to high voltages or very high voltages. And another thing which is whenever you are trying to play with these receivers, since you connect your L and B here at these ports, so because it has two wires, the inside and outside, and you use coaxial wire, and if they get short at the outside, and it also gets out of the order. So first I will remove its screws and then try to sort out this issue. But apparently if we plug this and there's no response, and first we will check this. And I have already opened this, and okay, someone place it here. Oh my god, here you can see its fuse is busted. So here you can see this, here we have its fuse, but it's not only burned out, it's burst. So first I have to place its button on position, and then first I will verify its wire that either it's okay or not. So I will check the continuity. Yes, it's okay. This one, yes, it's okay. So it's mean this wire is good enough. So yes, this wire comes over here, then oh, it is short. For how here this wire goes here, and if I assume that this is the same wire, this, and then I am connecting it here, and it's giving me a 100% shortage. So it's mean if I plug it here and make this fuse, like if you make a connection, it will give me a 100% glow in the series bulb. So it's mean it's shortage. So I have to troubleshoot this, and I have to sort out the issue. So apparently this diode D4 is also giving me a reading like this. This is the diode, and it's giving me a reading on both sides. Yes, here this one, also this one. No, this is good. But this is not the proper way to check the diodes. But the question is how we can check the diodes. So first we will remove the screws, and then we will pull it out its one leg, and then we will check the shortage. For example, if there is shortage, for example, if this is the malfunctioning and it is connected in parallel with these, so you would not be able to find the problem with this one, because you will feel that this is the short. So in electronics troubleshooting, you have to pull out its one leg, so that you can come to know that yes, or you can say with confidence that this is the short. So first I'm going to remove this one, and can see it's damaged. So most of the time people replace this power supply card, and they don't try to fix this. But here in my lab I always try to fix these things and make videos for you guys, for your knowledge and for your understanding. So it's not very expensive. It's about through $2 to $3 US, but you know, the person who fixed this who charged a lot of money, so that's why these things get expensive. So what I have to do, first I will remove this component, and yes, I have pulled it out, it's one leg, and then I will check either it's working fine or not. I think it's good. I think it's good. Yes, it's good. And this is good. This is giving me a bad value. This is D4. It's mean diode 4. So what's I'm going to do, I will now I can check this. Yes, now I can say with 100% confidence that this is faulty. So this is faulty. Let's move further. And this diode, yes, this is also this D2, because since these are converting the AC voltage into DC voltage, so in short words they are using they're working as a bridge rectifier. And since we can use 4 diodes in different directions to convert the AC current into DC current, so it's also short. So now I have pulled it out, I have checked this is good enough. And since this is the resistor, since this is the inductor, say here we have marked the L1, so it's always give you the reading like this, so don't worry about this. And here we have the capacitor. Since here you see the spark, and here you can see this path is damaged. So what I have to do, I will make a connection between this and this. So, and then I will replace these diodes and then see what happens. Okay, now I have replaced these diodes D2 and D4, and I pulled out these 2 faulty diodes, and its number is 1N4007. so I replaced with almost same number, and I replaced these 2 diodes, and I use this wire for its as a fuse. And since this path was damaged, so what I did, I use a wires to make a connection. So it's just for your understanding. And now I'm going to plug in, and let's see. So here I have the power cable I'm going to use in, and yes, it's on, and yes, I can see it's load, it means it's loading. So I think it should, once it get load, it this is menu. Yes, now it's, I think it's channel. So if I press, yes, it's working. And if I press its menu button, it's power button, again power on, and now, so it's mean it's now this card is working for the positive 5 volt and 20 volts, and it's supplying the power 5 volt and 20 volts to this card. And now if there is malfunctioning, that could be due to this card, not this card, because the purpose of this card is to produce 5 volt and 20 volts DC, so nothing else. And if it's get on and it's not taking the channel, it's not tuning up or something like that, so that time the problem could be due to this card. Thank you for watching this video.